most claims, generic claims, are covered by a 1-year statute. And that's 1 year from the date of injury. But there's tons of exceptions. There's a discovery rule, which means it doesn't necessarily start at the date of the injury if you didn't discover it until much later. And the classic example there is, you go in for surgery, a doctor leaves a sponge in. You may not start feeling the ramifications for that sponge for months. It essentially is 1 year from when you discover the existence of that. And then there's other exceptions. Are you still under the doctor's care? A lot of times the courts rule that the statute of limitations doesn't start to run against you, even that 1 year, as long as you're actively under the doctor's care, because doctors could conceal the fact that there was a negligent act. They can mislead you. So there are rules to get you around the 1 year statute, but it is a 1 year statute for, again, medical negligence or slip and fall cases. The largest category of injury claims are motor vehicle accident. Kentucky has a very specific statute that's called the Kentucky Motor Vehicle Reparations Act. It provides a 2-year statute. So any car accident case involves a 2-year statute because the law refuses to be simple. It is not 2 years from the day of the accident. It is 2 years from the last PIP payment. And as we talked about earlier, PIP's what you used to pay your medical expenses and your lost wages. Well, that's obviously much later than the day of the accident. A lot of times they're not paid until 3-4 months later. So it's 2 years from your last PIP payment on a car accident case. And then the other sort of broad category of cases would be a wrongful death case. And that is 1 year from the date of death or 1 year from the date that the person has an executor or an administrator appointed, provided that that appointment occurs within 1 year of the date of death.